Hi, today we'll continue explain schematic diagram for laptop. Now here in this schematic diagram, it's belong to Dell laptop, Dell Inspiring 15. The motherboard of this laptop is from Compound Company, model LA 9104P RV 1.0. Now this is the circuit of mean power. What does mean? Here, this is here this MOSFET come this line VN. This VN coming from the AC adapter. Now in laptop we have two sources for power. We have power from charger, AC charger, AC adapter, and we have power from battery. We have power from battery. When you plug in AC adapter, voltage coming from this line to this MOSFET. Here, this MOSFET will work like control voltage or control gate for voltage. This MOSFET and this MOSFET also. From this side there is one MOSFET. This MOSFET will control the gate for voltage coming from battery, laptop battery. So when you plug in AC adapter, this two MOSFET will open the gate, and volt coming from here, 19 volt or 20, it depends on the AC adapter, to this line to this point B plus. This B plus will supply all the laptop. From this side, when you this MOSFET will close volt or cut the volt which coming from battery. It will cut it. Here this pin coming voltage from adapter, AC adapter, to this line, to this MOSFET, this transistor, DT transistor, to this gate, to give order to this MOSFET to open or to cut the voltage coming from battery. Why? Because if voltage coming from battery from this line to this point, and voltage coming from AC adapter to this line to this point, it will make damage on the motherboard, and this MOSFET maybe will burn, or the motherboard will burn. So this three MOSFET will control the sequence between AC adapter voltage and battery voltage. Now when volt come from here, this any MOSFET, as you know, MOSFET will control by gate. This gate will control the voltage, open or close, cut the voltage or supply the voltage. And these two transistors, DT8, this transistor with resistance inside. This kind of transistor contain two resistance inside. So this two MOSFET will control this two MOSFET to open or close the voltage. And also this two transistor, it will measure the current, because if there is any over current, any over current, this MOSFET, this transistor will give to this MOSFET to cut the power in order to keep the other parts to save and keep other parts from laptop to save it, because if coming over more current in this line, it will damage the motherboard. As you see here, this DTC transistor, this will control the gate of this MOSFET. This MOSFET is belong to control the battery voltage, at the same time will control and measure the current. When IC adapter cut this and this signal here is coming from AC adapter voltage, so this transistor will give this MOSFET order to supply volt to this point, and from this point it will give the supply for all laptop. And you can see from this line there is another line coming to this two MOSFET. This two MOSFET will control the battery charging. When AC adapter plug in, this MOSFET will cut battery voltage, and the voltage from AC adapter coming from this line, this coil, and coming to this two MOSFET, and this two MOSFET will control by charging IC in order to charge battery. In order to actually here from IC adapter coming about 18 volt or 19 or 20, and from battery coming about 13 or 12 volt battery to this line. Maybe somebody ask why there is difference between IC adapter and battery. AC adapter or any here, as you see 19.9 AC adapter, this 19 volt coming to this point does not go directly to any parts of laptop. No, it will go to regulator circuit for it depends on the IC voltage, VCC voltage supply. For example, some IC work with a 12 volt, or some ICs work with 5 volt or 3.3. Processor work with 1.2, or RAM, for example, work with 1.5, etc., etc. So now if you see here in this charging IC, the VCC, we can check the VCC voltage. Here the VCC voltage for charging IC is 5 volt. So this 19 volt from AC adapter does not go in directly to this IC. No, this will go to regulated circuit, and this circuit will supply the suitable volt for the part of any circuit. So this IC will supply with 5 volt. Maybe other IC will supply 3.3 volt. Let me check another one. Here you can see 5 volt always coming to the circuit, 3 volt. No 19 volt are going directly to any parts of here. For example, this is SATA connection for hard drive. you can see here the supply voltage is 5 volt. 5 volt coming from this line. So no, the 19 volt from AC adapter does not go directly to the circuit. Also here you can see 5 volt, 3 volt, 5 volt, 5 volt also. Here this part this IC also supply 3 volt and 3 volt here also. Actually there is no IC supply with 19 volt inside the laptop. There is no IC. Here power on off switch, supply 3 volt from this line, come in to this push button here. Here fan power also supply from this IC. The supply voltage is 5 volt. Here is Wi-Fi LAN, also supply 3 volt. Power control here of mini card, as you see, 3 volt, 3 volt, 3 volt. This IC here is also IC is this regulated circuit. It take 5 volt from this line, and output voltage is 5 volt for USB power from this line. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please like and subscribe. Thank you for you.